So it's time to upgrade the old yellers on the Civic, and for that I have a few new bulbs here to convert old yeller halogens into something a little bit better. So for the 10th gen Civic, we have the high beam, the low beam H11, and the fog lights H8. Now I wanted to get the regular SilverStars, but I could not find it in H8. This is what I could find. They're more expensive. But anyways, I was looking here and I thought some of this stuff was a little bit interesting. So first we're looking at the Phillips CrystalVision Ultra. If we look here, we can see that our color temperature is up to 3700 Kelvin on the CrystalVision, and our average lifetime up to about 150 hours. Now what I thought was interesting, that's on the H11. If we go over here, which that one is the low beam. The high beam here for the Civic on the CrystalVision Ultra, same color temperature, 3700 K up to, but the lifetime is up to 300 hours. Now I'm not really sure why the average lifetime is double what it is on the H11, but it is what it is. Now, looking through all the printed material here, I cannot find anything on the warranty of this bulb, but if we go to the Phillips website, I've got that up here, so you can register your products. You can go to their thing, register the products, which I've done that, and it talks about an extended warranty, but I never could find anywhere the actual warranty. But see, when you go here to register, it says an extended warranty. So maybe there isn't a warranty or an extended warranty, which I won't know unless I actually try to make a claim on that. So what I will do is I'll set a run time on the car once I install the bulbs, and see when they burn out. I'm assuming it's going to be a few months, but we're going to test that out. Okay, so that's the Phillips CrystalVision to upgrade old yellers, high beams, and low beams. Now as far as the fog lights, we have the ZXE xenon fueled. Alright, so this doesn't show the color temperature, but what it does say here is that it guarantees your complete satisfaction for up to 12 months, and an average driver will use their low beam headlights 100 hours per year. So in my mind, what that says is that this bulb should last about 100 hours, which seems about right from what I've read online, 100 to 150 hours, but they're guaranteeing it for 100 hours. Now, these are the fog lights in my car. Currently, I have the fog lights set to turn on anytime the headlights are turned on, so this is always on if the headlights are on. In my situation, being that these are expensive, I may change that. I don't know. We'll see how it works. Anyways, so there is no color temperature listed on here, but a quick Google search shows that 4200 Kelvin is about what we should expect. So 4200 Kelvin there, up to 3700 there, up to 3700 there. So what that tells me is that these fog lights should be a little more on the blue side than the headlights and the high beams and low beams. We'll see. Let's get them installed. Here's just a quick look at what the OEM headlights look like. All right, here's just a quick comparison of the new to the old. I've got the passenger side down, the driver's side still the OEM bulbs. So you can see that it's slightly wider. Not a huge difference on the Phillips bulbs, but definitely a noticeable difference on the ZXE fog lights. Okay, so here is a final look at the installed bulbs on the driver and passenger side. Am I happy with them? Yeah, I like the looks of them. They don't quite match the LED strips on the outside of the headlamps, but they're a lot closer than the original yellow halogens. I think LED is definitely the way to go if you're looking for a uniform look. This is as close as I think that we can get without installing LEDs. Installing LEDs will require more work and some other parts to make them function correctly on this car. So I'm not going to do that. Will I buy these bulbs again once these burn out in like 75 days? I don't know. That remains to be seen. We'll see how long they last and kind of go from there.